Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show to you what's new on Instagram in 2024. So before you watch this video, hopefully you update or upgrade your Instagram application into the newest version to use this feature. So the newest feature that Instagram gave to us is a cutout. So cutouts is the features that can help you to cut an object from a picture and make them become a sticker for your Instagram story. So here is the way to use the cutout. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your story section, or you can just go click this plus button on the down part here, and after that you just need to go click story, and you just need to choose like which photo that you want to use as the main or the base picture. So let's say I want to use this, and after that, to use the cutout you just need to go click this icon and just choose or click this cutouts button, and I just need to pick the picture that you want to get the object from, and let's say here, and let the Instagram do that for you automatically. And after that you just need to go click use sticker, and now you already got those as a sticker for your Instagram story picture, and you can adjusting the size, the positions too. And whenever you're done positioning it, you just need to go click add to your story, so all of the process is just done. So that's the way how to use the cutout on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.